Hi everyone, welcome back to TerraTern. Today I would like to talk about one of the most important tasks in the PTE section, that is repeat sentence task. This task may simple at first glance. You hear a sentence and repeat it. However, it can be quite challenging as it tests your listening skills, memory and pronunciation all at once. The key to excelling in this task is using effective strategies to ensure you repeat the sentence accurately and fluently. Let's dive into some of these strategies. First, focus on the keywords. When you hear the sentence, don't try to remember every single word. Instead, identify and hold on the most of the important words or phrases. For example, if the sentence is the professor gave a lecture on a climate change, the key word you want to remember are professor, lecture, and climate change. If you miss a word or two, recalling the keywords will still allow you to construct a coherent response. Second, practice active listening. This means really focusing on the sentence structure, tone, and the pace as you listen. Training your ear to pick up on these details will help you to repeat the sentence more accurately. One way to improve this is by listening to podcasts, new reports, or even audiobooks. The more you expose yourself to a different type of speech, the better your listening skills will become. Next, a very useful strategy is called chunking. Instead of trying to remember the entire sentence as one long strings of a word, break it down into a smaller parts or a chunks. For example, if the sentence is the meeting will take place at 10 a.m. on Wednesday, you can mentally divide into a two parts. The meeting will take place and at 10 a.m. on Wednesday. Chunking makes it easier to your brain to store and recall information. Now let's talk about the memory. The repeat sentence task heavily relies on your short-term memory, so it's important to work on improving a simple memory exercise like recalling sequence of numbers or words can help also. Visualizing the sentence as you can hear it very helpful. If the sentence mentions something concrete like the library is located on the second floor, try to create a mental image of that scene. Visual often stick in our mind better than just words. Another crucial technique is shadowing. This involves listening to a sentence and repeating it a right way. Try to match the speaker pace, intonation, and pronunciation. By practicing shadowing, you will improve your fluency and rhythm, which are essential in tasks. This technique will help you to get used to repeating a sentence more naturally. What? If you forgot a word, don't panic. If you forget a word or two, it's better to continue speaking confidently than to stop or hesitate. You can even replace a forgotten word with a similar one as long as remain close to the original. Remember, fluency matters and keeping your sentence coherent is more important than repeating every word perfectly. Also, when repeating sentence, breath control can make a big difference. Longer sentence can be challenging and running out of a breath halfway through can affect your fluency. Take a deep breath before you start speaking and maintain a steady pace so you don't rush or stumble. To get better at this task, there are many practice tools available online. These resources will give you an opportunity to practice with a real test style sentence. The more you practice, the more you are familiar become with the common sentences, structures, and the easier it will be to repeat a sentence accurately under the pressure. Finally, remember that the confidence is key. Stay calm and composed during the test. If you get nervous or stressed, it will be harder to focus and you may struggle to recall the sentence. Trust your preparation and speak with a confidence, even if you don't remember every single word. In the end, I would like to say mastering the repeated sentence task require a combination of active listening, memory techniques, and fluency practice. By focusing on a keywords, using chunking, improve your short-term memory, and practicing with the shadowing, you will be well your way to success. And above all, stay calm and confident. Ready to take the next steps towards your dream career abroad? Get a free consultation today. Simply fill out the forms. Link is in the description and pin comments below. Don't miss this opportunity to get an expert advice tailored just for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TerraTern for more tips on achieving your goals abroad. See you in the next video.